Dear friends, in this video, we will see how to screencast our mobile phone on laptop, on PC, web browser. For example, we want to show some demonstration related to some mobile apps, and these demonstrations we want to show on web browser on system screen. So this is the app Screencast. You can download and install in your mobile phone, in your Android phone. It is available on Google Play Store. So once it is installed, so we have to connect our laptop as well as mobile phone on same mobile network, on same hotspot. Okay, so it will give you some options whether same Wi-Fi on as PC, or you want to use mobile hotspot. So I'm using same Wi-Fi network on PC as well as my phone. Okay, so it will give me the options. So a local IP address will be generated. Okay, start now. Now this this is the URL 192.168.31.214.6868. So this IP address will be generated by the app that you have installed in your mobile phone. Now I will enter. So you will see that my mobile phone is projected here. Okay, so if I want to show you some demonstration, if I want to show which apps are installed in my phone, okay, for example this one. So if I want to show something, if I want to show some demonstration, so we can do it. For example, chat gpt. Okay, so in this way you can go for projection, you can go for screencasting. So it is beneficial for teaching and learning applications. If you want to teach something, if you want to use it for making online tutorials, so you can use this app from Google Play Store, that is Screencast. Thanks to all of you.